Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save an Instagram draft reel to your gallery without posting it. Is it really possible? Yes, it is. So, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your drafts by tapping on the option to create a new reel. Select the specific draft you want to save. When you open the draft, look for the three dots in the corner. You'll see options to duplicate or delete, but what we really want to do is edit the draft. So, go ahead and tap on Edit. Now, once you're in the edit mode, you'll find the option to download the draft directly to your device. Just tap on the Save option, and the media will be saved to your gallery. After saving, you can tap the back button, or go ahead and tap Next again, then select Save Draft one more time. This way, your draft will remain in the Reels draft section, and you'll have a copy saved in your gallery too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.